the 12th of October 2022, and this is very amazing. It's Vuorikatu 1, staircase B. We have to get to staircase A here
Yeah.
as soon as possible. This is a bit original. No, not a bit. The interior was refurbished inside, but that's how they still have the lamp gauges with MP4 fixtures.
Yeah.
It was built in 1957, turning 65 years old this year, 2022. And they must have upgraded the interior around 1970 maybe,
Yeah.
or something like that. It looks like it, yeah.
Yeah.
December is 7 to 506. We expected the next year, 2023. This has 3 rides, and then we have the lamp gauge.
Yeah.
Let's check if it's locked off here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. So we can do both.
Yeah. Portal.
Actually, from K, then you can do the lamp view.
Yeah.
When you ride it for me, I'll ride it for you as well.
Yeah.
And same in the back.
Yeah.
Then we can go from here. Luckily,
Yeah.
3 rides first.
Dit paikki vain, kun mietin paikka on. Oh, you can take right, so I can film the flooring.
Yes, and then you can do it from
Yeah.
here. I'll pause it.
Yeah. Fourth floor lamp is broken, unfortunately.
And now for you.
Yeah. Okay. That's